Hey guys, me here again. Today I'm going to show you how you can quickly diagnose a TV, new TV with LED backlights to see if the backlights are defective or there's something else that's wrong, at least with the Samsung. So this is our TV that we're trying to diagnose. You want to go ahead and take off the back cover and plug in your AC power cord to the wall. And also be very careful because we're going to be sticking our fingers around here. This is the power supply. You can get hurt if you don't be careful and you start touching things you're not supposed to. Once you have it plugged in, we're going to start by unplugging two cables, and we're going to see, or sorry, I should say one cable, and we're going to see if the backlights come on. I'm going to take the cable that goes to the main board, the power supply cable, unplug it, and you're going to see if the backlights come on. Now, if the backlights don't come on by looking through all the little holes on the panel, that probably means that you have a backlight issue. I hope this helps.